Anyone can draw anything in just a few minutes using only numbers and letters with Muffalo Potato. Hi, I'm John, and today's episode is how to draw a rhino. You need a pen and a piece of paper, and you need to watch me.
Let's do this.
Okay, here we go. The first thing you're gonna draw is a letter D, capital D, as big as possible, just like this. And not maybe too big, but take a look at the screen first. There's your D, nice and big. The next letter is a capital E, just like this, only it's a little skinny and a little tall, and it's actually touching the D. It looks like the word Ed, only it's crunched together, just like this. And you're done. No, I'm kidding. And the next letters and numbers you're going to draw are P and 8, just like this. And you're gonna draw them inside the D. We're gonna take an I or a 1 and go straight down the 8. Take that same I or 1 and go straight down the P. Now, everybody take your paper and turn it. Starting to look familiar yet?
Who's
It
that?
will, trust me. Our next letter is an M, just like this, only we're making it a little lazy, kind of like that. Start your M right here at the corner of the eye, go up, down, and back down again. Now we've got a little space right here, you see? We're gonna draw a V, just like this, only tilted a little bit at an angle. One more V, this time a real wide one, just like this. Put your pen here, go down and up again. And now a C, but not a nice C like that, sort of like a skinny C. Start at the bottom of the V that you just finished drawing and work your way right back up to there. Capital P, only tilt it at an angle, just like that. Outside of the D and then finish up your P. It's an ear. Now to do the other ear, draw a capital D and flip it backwards. All right, we're almost there. 2 small U's, real small, just like that. Inside, makes an I, makes another I. Now an M, little bouncy small M's, right at the very bottom of the E. Right here and right here. These are the toes of the rhino. And now a small V, just like that, teeny and in the corner. All right, we're almost done. The last thing you need to draw is like that. Real small, right in the nose. Boom! And there you have it, guys. There's your rhino. Now, if you want, you can add a little bit of grass on either side, or you can add little shading. It's totally up to you. So take care, guys.
Muffalo! Potato of the Muffalo!